Hi, my name is Sam.
Hello, Sam. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, Canada. That's nice.
What do you do, Anna?
I'm an English teacher.
That's great. I'm a student.
What are you studying?
I study business management.
How long have you been learning English?
For 6 months.
Your English sounds very good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
That's the best way to learn.
Yes, I watch English videos and listen to podcasts.
That's smart. Listening really helps.
Sometimes I also speak English with my friends.
That's excellent. Practice builds confidence.
How long have you been teaching English?
For about 5 years.
You must really enjoy it.
Yes, I love helping students improve.
I hope I can speak like you one day.
You will, Sam. Just keep practicing.
I will. Thanks, Anna.
You're welcome. It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Have a great day.
You too. See you around.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 morning.
That's early. I wake up at 7.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Me too. Then I have breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Cereal or sometimes toast.
I like eggs and toast.
Sounds good. How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
I walk to work. It's close.
What time does work start?
At 9 a.m.
When do you finish?
At 5 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
Sometimes I exercise or read a book.
What time is dinner?
Around 7 or 8 p.m.
Do you cook?
Yes, I usually cook at home.
That's healthy.
What time do you sleep?
At 11 p.m.
I sleep at 10:30. Sleep is important.
Yes, we need enough rest.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
I'm looking for tomatoes. Do you know where they are?
They are in the vegetable section.
Oh, I see them. Thanks.
You're welcome. Is this your first visit?
Yes, the supermarket is very big.
What else do you need?
Milk, bread, and eggs.
Milk is at the back in the dairy section.
Okay,
Bread is in aisle 5.
got it.
Eggs are next to the milk.
Thank you very much.
Do you need rice?
Yes, where is it?
Aisle 3 on the right.
Perfect.
Do you have a cart?
No, where can I get one?
Near the entrance.
Thank you for your help.
No problem.
Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother.
I have 2 sisters.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Do you have children?
Yes, one son. He is 5.
That's lovely.
What does your husband do?
He is a doctor.
What about your parents?
My father works in an office. My mother stays at home.
My parents are retired.
What did they do before?
My father was a teacher. My mother was a nurse.
Do you visit them often?
Yes, twice a year.
I visit mine every weekend.
Family is very important.
I agree.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm lost.
Of course. Where are you going?
I'm looking for the post office.
Are you walking?
Yes.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Okay.
Turn right at the traffic light.
All right.
Walk 1 more block.
Okay.
You'll see a bank on the corner.
Yes.
The post office is beside the bank on the left.
Thank you.
It will take about 10 minutes.
What time does it close?
At 5 p.m.
Great. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading.
What kind of books?
Mystery novels.
Nice. I like sports.
Which sports?
Tennis and football.
Do you cook?
Yes, but I'm still learning.
I can teach you.
That would be nice.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, every weekend.
What type?
Comedies.
I prefer action movies.
Do you have other hobbies?
Yes, hiking and photography.
That's interesting.
That movie was great.
Yes, I liked it.
Are you free on Saturday?
Yes, I am.
Let's do something together.
Sure.
We can go to the park.
Good idea.
At 2 p.m.,
Perfect.
let's meet at the entrance.
Okay, see you then.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Sometimes.
What do you buy?
Clothes and groceries.
I buy books and gadgets.
How often?
Once a week.
Where do you shop?
At the mall.
Do you shop online?
Yes, sometimes. It's easy.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's sunny.
I love sunny weather.
What's the weather like in your country?
Usually warm.
Mine is cold in winter.
Do you like cold weather?
Not really.
What do you do when it rains?
I stay home and read.
What's your favorite food?
I like pasta.
I love pizza and burgers.
Do you eat out often?
Not much.
What do you cook?
Pasta and chicken.
What do you drink?
Coffee and juice.
I drink tea every day.
Do you like dessert?
Yes, especially chocolate cake.
I had a great time today.
Me too.
Let's practice English again.
Sure.
When are you free?
Next Wednesday?
Same time?
Yes.
See you then.
Goodbye. Hey, have you checked the fridge lately?
Yeah, it's basically empty. Just some eggs and one lonely tomato.
I think it's time to go grocery shopping.
I was thinking the same thing.
Let's go to the market and fill the fridge.
Good idea. We should restock for the whole week.
What do we need?
Milk, vegetables, and maybe some chicken.
Definitely. And bread. I ran out this morning.
Let's also get some fruit.
I want something easy to snack on.
Sounds good. Do we have enough time before dinner?
Yeah, the market is close. It won't take long.
Perfect. Let's do a quick grocery run.
All right, grab your bag.
Let's go fill that fridge.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
I want to buy some vegetables today.
Sure, what are you looking for?
Are these tomatoes fresh?
Yes, they came in this morning.
That's good to hear. How about the spinach over there?
That one is from yesterday.
Is it still okay to eat?
Yes, it's still fresh and clean.
All right. Which carrots are new?
These carrots are fresh today, and they look great and firm.
Thank you. And the apples. Are these apples new or old?
They are new. We got them today.
Great. Are they sweet?
Yes, many customers like them.
Sounds good. I will take tomatoes, carrots, spinach, and apples.
Anything else you need?
No, that's all for now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
We're here. Where do we start?
Start with the big and easy to sell things. Bakery first.
Because they run out fast.
Yes, and they take space in the cart, so we put them at the bottom.
I see the bread wall. So many kinds.
We need 2 loaves of sandwich bread.
A loaf is 1 whole bread. 2 loaves equals 2 breads. Now shadow me. 2 loaves of sandwich bread.
2 loaves of sandwich bread.
Good. Check the date on the back.
Best before... Okay, it's good. Where are the hot dog breads?
Those are called buns. A bun is the small bread for 1 hot dog.
So bread is the big one and buns are the small ones.
Right. Shadow me. Where are the hot dog buns?
Where are the hot dog buns?
Here they are. We need 2 packs.
2 packs of buns. Got it.
This is the meat section.
Yeah, what should we get?
Let's get chicken first. Okay, do you want chicken breast or thighs? Chicken breast. It's easy to cook. Are these fresh?
Yes, they look good.
Check the date.
It's from today.
Great. Let's take 2 packs.
All right. What about pork? We need pork for dinner.
Which one? Pork belly or pork chop?
Pork belly. It's good for grilling. This one looks fresh. Yeah, the color is nice.
Now fish. Do you want salmon or tilapia?
Salmon is expensive.
Then let's get tilapia. Is this fish fresh?
The eyes look clear. That means it's fresh.
Good. Let's take 1.
Okay. Chicken, pork, and fish. We're done here.
Nice. Let's go pay.
This aisle smells strong.
Yeah, this is the sauce section.
What do we need?
We need cooking oil.
Here it is. Vegetable oil or olive oil?
Vegetable oil is fine.
Okay, 1 bottle.
What about soy sauce?
Yes, we're almost out. This one or that one?
This one, it's cheaper.
All right. Do we need fish sauce?
Yes, just 1 bottle.
How about ketchup?
Yes, and mayonnaise too.
Here are the spices.
We need salt and black pepper.
Do we have garlic powder? No, we don't.
Let's get 1.
Anything else?
Maybe chili sauce. Good idea.
This one is not too spicy. Perfect. Let's check the list again. Oil, soy sauce, fish sauce, ketchup, mayo, spices.
That's everything.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm looking at these canned foods.
Okay, what do you need?
What is the difference between these 2 cans?
This one is spicy, that one is not.
Is this one very spicy?
No, just a little spicy.
Good. I don't like very spicy food.
Then choose the non-spicy one. Great.
I want to know something about the frozen food.
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm looking at frozen pizza. There are many kinds.
Yes. What is the difference between these pizzas?
This one has pepperoni, that one has vegetables.
Is the pepperoni pizza spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
How about this one?
That one has chicken and cheese.
Does it have a lot of cheese?
Yes, it has extra cheese.
Nice. Which one do you recommend?
The pepperoni pizza is very popular.
Okay, I'll take 1 pepperoni pizza and 1 vegetable pizza.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This fruit section looks good today.
Yeah, let's grab fruit for the cake first.
Okay, strawberries are always good for topping.
Yeah, and they smell really nice.
I love the smell. They look fresh, too.
Look for bright red ones. Avoid the soft ones.
Why not the soft one?
Because soft means they may be old.
Okay, I understand. Bright ones mean fresh and soft means they're old.
Good job.
These ones are firm and shiny.
Perfect. They'll look great on top of the cake.
Yeah, strawberries on top always look pretty.
How about blueberries?
Good idea. They're cheap and easy.
Pick the firm ones. Don't take the wrinkled ones.
What does wrinkled mean?
Wrinkled means they look dry and old.
Oh, got it. Do we want bananas too?
Yes, for dessert after dinner.
These are too green.
Yeah, they won't taste good yet.
Let's get yellow ones with a few brown spots.
Those are sweet.
What about apples?
Sure, apples are always safe.
Pick ones with smooth skin. Avoid any with dark spots.
Okay, strawberries and blueberries for the cake, bananas and apples for dessert.
Perfect.
Mom, can we buy snacks?
We already have food at home.
Please, Mom, just a few.
What do you want to buy?
Chips and cookies.
That's not very healthy.
I know, but I'll eat fruit too.
You always say that.
This time is different.
How is it different?
I'll clean my room today.
You said that last time.
I promise I'll really do it.
What about homework?
I already finished it.
Are you sure?
Yes, you can check. Please, Mom, I'll help clean the house too.
The whole house?
Yes, I'll sweep and take out the trash.
That sounds serious.
And I'll wash the dishes after dinner.
All right.
Really?
Okay, we can buy 1 snack.
Yes. Thank you, Mom.
1 snack only.
Deal.
I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, there are shampoo and conditioner here.
I need a new shampoo. My scalp is really dry.
Do you have dandruff?
Dandruff? What is that?
It's the white flakes on your scalp.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I have a little.
Then you should get this one.
Is it good for dandruff?
Yes, it says anti-dandruff.
Does it smell strong?
No, the smell is light.
That's good. My skin is sensitive.
This one is gentle.
Okay, I'll try it. What about body wash?
I want one that smells nice.
This one smells really fresh.
Is it too strong? No, it's not heavy. Does it cause irritation? Irritation? What does that mean?
It means your skin gets red or itchy.
Oh, I don't want that. Me neither. This one is for sensitive skin. That's important. I had a rash last time. Oh no, this one says no harsh chemicals. That sounds safer. Smell this one.
Oh, I like it.
It smells clean, not too sweet. Perfect. So shampoo for dandruff and a gentle body wash.
Yeah, let's get these.